Hi, y'all. Welcome to Basil Bay's Life in the Slow Lane, at least where we try to make it in the slow lane so that we can enjoy life a little more and all the wonderful beauty that we see in it, especially with all that's going on in the world today. I just wanted to go ahead and make something yummy and scrumptious, but very easy since I know a lot of us are short on time. Some of us might have a little more than others, but either way, this is a simple, fast salsa and it's very fresh, crunchy. We're going to add cucumbers. We're going to have fun with this. So I hope you can join me. And we're going to go to my garden and pull some fresh stuff out. And let's get started.